What's up, everybody? Thank y'all for tuning in. It's finally here. I've been waiting on this for a minute. So let's get right to it. We got a special unboxing. I guess these wasn't on the West Coast, so you had to specially get these from across the country. But definitely something to put in the Polo collection, to put in your collection. It's wintertime. I'm going jacket crazy this year. Man, when it comes to this drip, man, it takes time to put these outfits together. Sometimes years, sometimes weeks, sometimes days. You can't just put this is how I always catch y'all slipping and be the drip guy when I show up at an event. Is because y'all came in an outfit y'all bought that day. You really can't coordinate to the depths and levels that somebody can that put their outfits together piece by piece, season by season, collectible pieces that's why it's important to watch your designer and make sure they got quality stuff. Once they have quality stuff, you don't mind paying the price on it because you know it's always going to be worth something. The resale value is great on it, so it's always worth some money on your body, right? It's been around for a while, so it's established. And not only that, they do things like, what the experience, what you're dealing with. Like with Polo and me, like they're the reason why I don't sell my clothing no more, because the color and quality that Polo keeps over the years is undefeated. A lot of design, and that's why I go with Polo. You could rock a Polo and you can rock it for 10 years and it still keep its color. The sweats keep like these sweats I got on today, they Nike. Nike no good. I'm gonna keep meaning to do a video. Nike clothing is no good, really. They got some cool shirts that I would say are like iconic, and you will buy those because of the not the quality of it, but the uniqueness of it. You feel me? And that's a unique shirt that pops. But outside of that, you gotta be real careful with Nike, Jordan clothing, because you're gonna buy some $150 sweats, and that's before taxes, right? And then they fade, and now you walking around trying to still rock your outfit, but it look faded though, and you like spent some money on it. You spend that $150 on that pair of Polo sweats, it's still gonna have that Polo red. It's still gonna match with the brand new Polo stuff. It lasts a while. I bought some Burberry sweats off Subject. They're $600 a piece. Man, them Burberry sweats didn't barely last 2 years, man, and I take care of my stuff. I buy so much shit, I probably won't even see it again. Some people you got to know what to buy with what certain things. See what I'm saying? And something about Polo, man, is quality, quality, quality. So when I seen this, I had to have it in the collection. And here's my little trick about Polo. You sometimes, if it's a hot item, you snatch it, right? But other than that, you can really wait till somebody reselling it on eBay for a little bit less, or if you really want it, wait till the Black Friday, the holiday sales. They got they 40% sales. You see what I'm saying? 40%, and then you get it. They'll be offering another 10% off. You can damn near get some of this shit worth half price. And a nice jacket that's like $1,000. It's a no-brainer. If I see some Polo, that's why I got so much Polo. If I see some Polo and I can snatch it for a good price, knowing the quality of it, it's a deal. Because if nothing else, you can always resell it online for a little bit more than half price. Because people who want Polo, if I'm looking for some Polo orange sweats, I don't care how much they is. If they're not in the store and I can't just buy them there and they're going to be more expensive, you can go on eBay or one of these selling sites, Macari, they got a bunch of them, and just snatch up some Polo sweats real quick that are brand new that somebody holding in their closet. They're gonna make a few bucks because they probably got it on sale. I found some Polo sweat sales, no lie, where I ended up walking away with like one of those $300 sweaters for $100, bro. Like $100 and some change, and you like, that's a deal, because those sweaters are super expensive. So when it's a deal on them, snatch them up, and then down the line, they still worth some money. Their quality still gonna stay, man. They Polo keep the standard. So with no further ado, let's get to this unboxing real quick. Ooh, see, they really came with it. It's definitely a unique piece. And the collectability on anything with polo patches is amazing. So just because I got this jacket, I still gotta go get my patches done on it. Look, Polo gave me the whole little, they did the whole thing, ladies. You know what I mean? Look. Finally, I love some garment bags, man. So that already tells you right there. But I'm real worried about this because when I was studying it, they said, so that means a polo. They're gonna give me a polo hanger and everything. But wow, you see him right there. Bang. And I'm not tripping that it's high up and it's cut high up because, you know, we like to show off our little $500 belts and stuff. Leather polo Letterman jacket. Real leather, bro. You know, good leather's hard to find. So a polo make it's gonna be super dope leather. Man, and nothing on the back, but we going to the polo shop to get the black patch on there across the back, wool body. Check it out in person. Finally, it's here. And man, the price I got on this, man, it was somebody selling it online, and I was like, man, can I give you $650 for it? And he was like, nah, I'll take $750 or $8 or something like that. Tried to take a look. I was like, and the next week the sale came, and I got it for less directly from Polo, ladies and gentlemen. So they say they run a little small. Oh, nah, because if I could do this like this, and I got a huge shoulders and back, bam. They ain't run that small. Absolutely not. And if you rocking this, like I said, that's how everybody rocking their stuff anyway right now. That's why you got, like that jacket I just took off, I ordered that online, and I always tell people, man, go and try it, especially if it's a new style. That's a racing jacket from Polo. I was just so excited because, you know, I got race cars to get a race jacket. And I was like, oh, it's a race jacket, so it's super tight, you know, like the racers wear. So I was like, I got to get it a little bit. Yeah, see the sleeves still go over. So this is a large. This is probably exact size, really. Stylish, you know. Close to the body. I kind of like that. You know what I'm saying? Give you some shape if you got a little bit. You see the arms. I don't like the loosen because then you got a heavy jacket. So yeah, that's the look with it on. I love it. I should have just rocked the whole outfit with it, but yeah. Check out the back. Bop. Got that belt on. Hey, what's happening? Bop, that belt bang out on them. You know what I'm saying? So you don't look stupid just trying to force the belt. So I always like that, like little waistline on my jackets like that. I don't like my jackets to come down like that jacket. I tried to go big on it, and it's just a little bit too big on me. It's a polo jacket, but I would probably get that to somebody if just because it's too big. You know what I mean? So definitely always try on your clothes and make sure you know. If you know, you know. But polo for me is usually a large. If you try to go either way, it's just gonna look a little bit different. That's what I like about polo. It's already styled to look good on your body. So again, back to the longevity of it. Man, you could wear a polo shirt or polo or button up with the quality that polo puts in their fabrics after the years. That's where it stands out. I like that. Like the trend is vintage now. You see what I'm saying? So I look at stuff like how it's gonna hit when it's. So I don't buy jackets that's trendy because you wear it. You can wear this jacket for the next 10, 20 years. You see what I'm saying? It's just a black on black, but it got a lot of style to it, and it's a Letterman. You know what I'm saying? You can wear this with a suit, throw this on, bam, with your nice clothes under it, and still be kind of, you know what I'm saying, debonair. But at the same time, you still got that young swag to you, Letterman. You know what I'm saying? Play sports or school type swag. You know, just to bring that back. You know what I'm saying? If you did, you dig. But yeah, man, I was looking for this. I've been eyeballing this for a minute. Yeah, seen it for damn near half price. Had to pull the trigger on it. I already see they selling out, so I would have bought it on eBay. Sometimes you could just wait till they on eBay and catch them for a deal. But it seemed like they charge. Like I said, a lot of people gonna buy it on for cheap with the polo, and then go straight to eBay, go straight to the resale sites and sell it for regular price. So it's, you know what I'm saying, it's a lot about clothing that you pick out and wear. You want to make sure there's some quality to it that other people, I look at the resale value. Some styles y'all buying is like they new designers. Nobody's gonna, like, some that you spent $1,000 on some bathing apes and now it's not worth a couple dollars and stuff like that. When brands like Levi's, you can wear them for a few years and still turn around and they be worth some money. Makes sense? Yeah, man, I'm out of here. This the Polo Letterman jacket with the real leather sleeves. Real leather sleeves, bro. You feel me? Yeah, this looks real nice. A little Teen Wolfish, you know what I'm saying? Back. Yeah, I like it because you can see the big old back, you know what I mean? And it's just not a bunch of fabric over your body hanging and dangling and stuff. Yeah, man, it's your boy K Cole. Thanks for tuning in. Another unboxing. Ooh, and they gave me the Polo